Have you bought a Crosstour action cam and are struggling to keep up with charging the batteries? You could probably do with the DC10 Crosstour battery pack. The Crosstour action cam battery charger, which includes 2 batteries, is available on amazon.co.uk for £11.99. So this is the Crosstour battery pack DC10. So let's open it up, let's see what you get in the box. So we have got the little user manual. We have got a very short USB lead. You also get 2 batteries, which are 1050 milliamps, 3.7 volts. So they are the original standard battery that come with the Crosstour action cam. So you get 2 of those, and you also get the actual little battery charger itself. So it is a double charging dock, so you can charge both batteries at the same time. We have an input of 5 volts, 2 amps. So you plug your USB cable into the side of the battery charger. Do a quick example with these batteries. So make sure your connectors line up. So you've got a connector in there, connectors there, and that's it. You just pop the battery in there and that's ready to go now. So if we put both batteries in, and now we just need to plug this into a USB source. So you can get wall sockets you can plug it into, you can plug it into a PC as well. So if I do a quick example now, we'll plug it into a laptop. So as you can see, we have 2 red lights, which is saying that they are charging. And once the battery is fully charged, the light turns a purple colour. So you know that you're good to go. And you can start using the battery in your Crosstour action cam. I have completely drained one of these batteries previously, and it takes approximately 1 hour 20 minutes to charge the battery up from flat to full. I did have it connected to a wall socket though, rather than a laptop, so I'm unsure how long it'll take to charge our laptop. I presume it might take a little longer, but I wouldn't expect it to take too much longer than the 1 hour 20 minutes. So there's not too much more to say about the battery pack. It's there to charge batteries, and that's exactly what it does. It's quite nice that you get the 2 additional batteries with it, so you've always got yourself some backup batteries as well, which you can keep fully charged, just so you don't miss anything when you're out using your action cam. If you are somebody who is a frequent user of the action cam, I would recommend getting hold of one of these chargers. And that being said, my star rating for the Crosstour battery pack DC10 is 9 stars out of 10. If you like the content that's been created on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. You'll find it in the bottom right of each of the videos.